so today if you're wondering what happened to my hair, well, let me tell you, it's tangled just because I didn't brush my hair for a week. So this is exactly what happened. So for further more explanation of why I did that whole experimentation, check out my previous video in order to understand all of this. So today I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to detangle a crazy tangled hair. So let's get started. Okay, if your hair is this tangled just like mine, what you can do is to separate it into two sections, just like this. Wow, see, you can't even separate the back. I'll have to detangle that first. Because the thing is, it's good to work with smaller sections of hair versus having to just comb out or brush your hair all together. So I have two sections to work on. Okay, so at this point, before I detangle it just using my fingers, I'm going to be using a liquid oil conditioner, or if you guys don't have that, you can also use a leave-on conditioner or just basically a spray conditioner. What I'm using here is from Schwarzkopf. I'm not so sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this one is the Bonacure Therapy, and I really do like their line because it really does help moisturize and as well help detangle it if your hair is really tangled like mine. So I'm going to be spraying it first all over my hair, just to kind of like help loosen up the tangles. Okay, so what I do is I detangle it first using my fingers, especially the huge knots. I just gently do that. This is gonna take hours. This is why I don't like my hair to be tangled, because it'll take you hours to actually detangle every single knot on your hair. The reason why I'm doing this first is that I don't want to rip off my hair, because I know even though sometimes you use a detangler, there's always a possibility that you can just rip out your hair if you don't detangle it first with your fingers. So that's what I'm doing. This is how you avoid breakage and split ends. It may take you a long time, but it'll save your hair. Usually when my hair is tangled, I would watch like preachings or movies that are about an hour long, just so that it will distract me from the pain of detangling my hair. So that's it. I'm gonna detangle it until I can at least run my fingers through my hair. Okay, so now that the majority of the tangles or like the big knots are gone, I'm gonna go ahead and use my wide tooth comb, and I'm going to start combing my hair at the bottom. The bottom part is always easy to comb out. It's just that I feel like I have more trouble combing out my hair in the middle part of my hair, because usually that is the part that gets tangled easily, or that's the part where the knot really sits. Okay, so that part is done. Moving on. Sometimes I just like to gently comb out my hair. I don't comb it all the way just like that. I just kind of easily detangle it, because you'll never know. Sometimes there's like little knots still that if you comb it all the way, you can really rip off some of your hair. So now that I'm rest assured that this part of my hair doesn't have any tangles, I can now comb my hair all the way, just like this. And moving to the top part, same thing, comb out that area first. You guys can see, look at that, there's still tangles right there. And this part right here, just gonna comb it out just like that. Okay, so in this part of my hair, everything is fully detangled. Okay, now moving on to the other side. Same procedure. You see the tangle right there? It's real. It's real, you guys. I don't really like it when my hair is like this. You know what? This is gonna take time, and you guys know the basics. I'm just gonna get back to you as soon as I detangled this knot. Alright, you guys, so I finally detangled this side of my hair, and now it looks like this. And also, by the way, if you all are wondering, like, oh my gosh, ew, your hair looks oily. You're right. Yeah, my hair looks oily. My hair is oily because it's my third day hair now. And also, I've been putting, like, serums on my scalp and all that. So the serums have definitely distributed the oils all over my scalp. And now it's kind of all over my hair. So that's why my scalp is oily. But after this, I will have to wash my hair. Okay, so now that I'm sure that there are no knots anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to using this brush of mine. This is also a detangling brush. but just to kind of like smoothen it. Right now I can just freely comb my hair from top to bottom because I know that I won't have any knots or tangles, so I will not rip off my hair in the process of combing it or brushing it. Now at this point I am distributing the oils all over my hair now. Alright, so now my hair is back to its normal state, not being tangled. And now I can finally run my fingers through my hair easily, just like that, versus a while ago. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video and found it helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Bye! I don't know why I'm holding my hair like this, but yeah, bye!